Hey, what's up guys? I got the Xbox Series S and the Xbox Series X. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing, compare physical dimensions, and talk about specs and what you get for the price. I also have my older Xbox One so you guys could see a size difference between the three. In another video I'm going to do loading tests so we could see which one's the fastest. I'm assuming it's going to be this. But so you guys could see a difference in terms of performance. So be sure to hit that subscribe button when the next video comes out. So let's get started. Start with the Xbox Series X first. So move this in the center and open this up. It's actually really nice. Power your dreams. So let's take this out. Let's actually see if I could take this off. Okay, so let's take this stuff off. Honestly, it's very nicely wrapped and stuff. Ooh, that looks pretty. Okay, here it is. So you have a USB in the front, disk drives. I'm assuming that's the eject button. This is to pair the remotes. It's a matte black finish and stuff. So you have your two more USB 3.0s or 3.1s, I believe. Gigabit Ethernet. This is your storage expansions if you want to add that. HDMI out for 4K video. And you have your power plug. I really like that cool green effect from the sides. That's going to be super cool. Yeah, this thing looks super cool. Okay, what else does this come with? So getting started and stuff. Oh, you want to pair it, put batteries inside stuff. Okay. So let's see what it comes with. Power plug. Okay, I really like the fact that there's no power brick, so the AC to DC is built into the Xbox, because the older Xbox had a super fat power brick. In fact, I'll bring it to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so this is the old Xbox One's power brick, and it takes a lot of space. So I really like the fact that it's built in. So that's awesome. Okay, HDMI out, ultra high speed. So I'm assuming it's going to be at least 2.0 or 2.1. So it should handle 4K. It should handle 4K at 120 frames per second because that's what the box says. So it might even be the 2.2 version. But is there anything else in there? That's probably the controller. Yeah, that's the controller. So let's see what the controller looks like. It's nice. It has this grippy material here. And it comes with 2 AA. So yeah, just pop it in there. It should be good to go. Looks very similar. Let me look at my other controller. So this is my original, in fact this is my day one controller because I bought the Xbox One on day one, so I have the day one edition of that. Yeah. So this one has these grippiness, it's kind of nice actually. But everything else is pretty much very similar. Obviously there's the extra buttons here and stuff, and the D-pad's a little bit different, but yeah, pretty much very similar to each other. Okay. Okay, let's see what else it comes with. Was that it? Yeah, that was it. So there's nothing on the... It looks deceiving. Am I gonna find a golden ticket here? No. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's what it looks like. I don't see anything else. Okay, so pretty basic stuff. So cable, power, controller, batteries. So good to go. Okay, so let's see what's inside the Xbox Series S. Probably gonna be the same exact thing. So let's put this on the side. So we'll leave it there for reference just so you guys could see. Okay, so unboxing this. Cardboard, well, no, it's not cardboard. Same type of thing, power your dreams. That's a cool saying. Power your dreams, aka just go to sleep. That's how you power, that's how I power my dreams, I just go to sleep. It says, hello from Seattle, Xbox. So, that looks super clean, honestly. Very, very clean. Same type of thing, USB 3.1 here, controller pairing on and off button, and you have your Ethernet, USBs, you have your HDMI out if you want storage expansion, and the same type of deal, so this is going to be built in as well. So I guess you put it like this because I see the little rubber things here. Same type of deal here. Okay, so you have your HDMI cable, and notice this is not the Ultra. That was one thing I was reading on, and so the Xbox Series X comes with the ultra high speed HDMI, where this one comes with the HDMI high speed, not all. So the Xbox Series X comes with the ultra high speed. So even though they're both HDMI cables, but just something to keep in mind. So power cable is the same, which is awesome because it takes no space whatsoever. And you have your controller, and that's pretty much it there. So let's open this up, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so same type of deal here. You have that grippy material, very similar. So let's take a look at the Series X. So yeah, it's pretty much identical to each other. Yep. Okay, so let me bring the Xbox One so we could see the physical dimensions and stuff to see what you actually get. Alright, so let's look at differences from a top view, and then I'll change the angle so you guys could see. So it's pretty much the same depth between the Series S and the Series X. The Series X is a tad bit taller and obviously much wider, because if we put this in the back, it's at least twice as wide and a tad bit taller. So comparing this to the Xbox One, which just actually, so the Xbox One is actually taller and yeah, much longer. So space-wise, obviously, you know, this is wider and stuff, but space-wise, this looks like it takes less space than even the Xbox One if you were to put it flat and stuff. So let's put it flat so we could see the difference and stuff. And if you guys are wondering, there's this matte thing and it says Xbox Hello from Seattle here as well. So this is how you would put it, so you guys could see the differences between the consoles. So we have the Xbox One. Yeah, so it takes a lot less space, and that's pretty crazy. Let's actually put this in the back so you guys could get a better view of it. Wow, the Series S is so small, especially when you put it like this. Xbox One is huge compared to these, so they're very good sizes. A little bit of fingerprints showing up here. Okay, so let's quickly talk about the specs between the Series S and the Series X. This one retails for $300 in the US, has 512 gigs of SSD storage. This one retails for $500 in the US, and it has 1 terabyte of SSD storage, so it has twice the amount. This has 4 teraflops of processing power. This has 12 teraflops of processing power, so 3 times the amount of processing power. This one, the gaming resolution is 1440p, where this one, the gaming resolution is 4K. They both support 120 frames per second. This one can obviously take discs and digital games, where this one can only take digital games. And some things that they have in common, this can also read 4K Ultra HD Blu-rays if you guys are wondering. But some things that they both have in common, they both support DTS 5.1, Dolby Digital 5.1, Dolby True HD with Atmos, and Windows Sonic. And they have, you know, the USB 3.1 ports, HDMI 2.1 out. They have wireless AC, so it's not the latest standard, which is wireless AX, but it also has gigabit Ethernet ports, so we're good there. And yeah, a whole bunch of other stuff. You can also get Disney Plus and Netflix and all that other stuff on these as well. As always, thank you guys for watching, and you know, whenever I hit my next milestone, which is 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. I was thinking about what to give away, and I'm like, you know what? I'll give away the Xbox Series S. So this one right here. So after I do my load test and stuff, I'll put it back in the box. I'll put details in the description below of how I plan on doing it. I'm still trying to work out what would be the optimal way of doing this. But it'll probably be a live stream event, and I'll probably ship it to the 48 contiguous states just to keep things really simple. But check it out in the description below. I'll put details of what I plan on do whenever I get to 5,000 subscribers, which is my next milestone. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment sections below. Thank you. And thank you to all my current subscribers.